Okay guys, welcome back to the layout. We are continuing our work with locomotives that are not DCC ready. This is another Athearn blue box kit that belongs to another YouTube user, UnionPacificRules. I encourage you to check out his YouTube page, and it looks like he also has an eBay account where he has some custom weathered rolling stock and other things on there. This is an EMD SD40, looks like a -2. He's included some instructions of what he would like to have me do to it, which includes the sound install as well as the load of the custom EMD 645 sound project I've been working on. Other than the locomotive, he's also included the QSI medium oval speaker, which is a little bit bigger than what I'm used to using, but I think it'll fit fine in here. And also the Digitrax SDH164D sound and mobile decoder, which is the same decoder I've used in my last few installs. And he's also donated this guy, a Athearn kit, blue box kit, 40-foot high cube that he custom weathered and threw some graffiti on, which I think came out really nice, as well as a small monetary donation to the layout. Here's the other side so you can see it. It's a fantastic job. So I'm really happy with that, and thank you. So I will probably go through this one and hit some of the highlights again, and we'll probably have a little fun showing the locomotive on the layout, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, motor and linkage has been pulled out of the chassis or frame of the locomotive. Included with your decoder there'll be a pretty simple wiring diagram, which that's how I'm using to follow this. I placed the gray wire at the bottom of the motor. I've also removed the little tabs that would otherwise make contact with the frame. I put some electrical tape there to prevent any accidental contact with the frame, making a bad ground. Gray wire again on the bottom, orange wire on the top. Everything is soldered. Next thing to do is to put the red wire on the post with the jumper, one going to the other, and the black wire being grounded somewhere here in the frame. And all the other wires are for optional lighting effects, which we'll probably use one of them for the headlight here, which I'll show in a little bit. Okay, motor and linkage have been reinstalled to the chassis. What I've done with the wiring, like I said, gray and orange to the bottom and top of the motor. Red was taken and put on this post, and a red jumper was taken across to the back post, so I get pickup from both trucks. The black wire for a ground, I took a spot here and sanded and soldered the black wire to the chassis or frame, and the white wire was taken and shortened and placed here for the light. Next is a quick bench test, and then we'll install the speaker. Okay guys, we've seated the decoder with some electrical tape, and I've also taped some of the other wires here so they don't interfere with the drivetrain once the shell is on. I've also shortened but not removed the other wires so they're not in the way, but I can still splice into them later if I want to do some other lighting effects. I have removed the stock speaker and replaced it with a small oval speaker. The owner sent me a medium oval speaker, and although I thought it would fit, it did not, so I had another one of these in stock and I had to use this one instead. And next is to mount the speaker. It'll go right up in here, as well as the capacitor, probably somewhere right next to it. And I'll be able to put this thing on and have some fun with it.